Oh, hello. Gather round, ye lovers of brew and tale, as I unfold this story, both hardy and frail. In the heart of a brewery where magic conspires, a potion was concocted, fueled by love's fires. With Maris Otter, Munich, and chocolate so deep, a concoction was crafted, a secret to keep. 10 pounds of Maris Otter, a malt most royal, with Munich's embrace, a dance to the boil. Chocolate malt whispers in shades so divine, a symphony of grains, a love-struck design. Mashed at 154, in warmth and twine, for 45 minutes, in my clawhammer supply. A union of flavors, a delicate affair, brewer's alchemy beyond compare. Boil for an hour, let the magic unfold. 0.75 ounces of Belma, strawberries are foretold. At flame out, another 0.25, their essence impart. Belma hops kiss, the taste of sweetheart. A house ale yeast, the romance begins. Fermentation's embrace, where desire wins. As it dances and swirls, a love story brews. In the heart of the fermenter, passion ensues. While the yeast work its magic, a tincture we make. Cacao nibs and Everclear, a love potion to partake. 3 ounces of nibs, 6 of clear delight. A teaspoon of vanilla to set hearts alight. Infuse for a week, shaking with care. Each day a reminder, love lingers in the air. As the beer finishes its love-filled affair, strain cacao essence, a secret to share. Now, as the strawberries wake from the cold, 5 pounds of frozen sweetness, a story to be told. In the keg, they merge, a fruity duet. With a cacao tincture, a love that's set. Transfer and carbonate, let the bubbles rise. In each effervescent sip, love never denies. The day of Valentine's is here. Tap the keg and let the romance appear. Pour the elixir, raise to toast. To love, to passion, to the one you love most. In each velvety sip, taste the sweet refrain. A chocolate strawberry porter. Love in a glass, not in vain. So let the flavors linger, like a tender kiss. And happy Valentine's Day, sealed with brewing bliss. Hey there, hopefully you enjoyed this one, something a little bit different, but I figured since it's Valentine's Day, why not do a quick little poem showing my love for beer, and especially this chocolate strawberry porter, which turned out really nice. I think adding in 5 pounds of strawberries is really the key. Strawberry is one of those flavors that's hard to get into beer. I thought I could layer it in. I wanted to use the Belma hops, which are said to have a strawberry flavor. I also wanted to use Omega yeast Sundew, which is supposed to add a lot of strawberry flavor in the fermentation, but I couldn't find it in time for this brew. But adding in those 5 pounds of strawberries really does add a lot of flavor. I think it kind of dominates the flavor right now, but I know with time, it'll kind of mellow out. As far as the chocolate, I definitely get the roast character from the roast malt, but the cacao tincture that I added really kind of boosted it up. I tasted it before I added it, and it was kind of just slightly roasty, but not super chocolatey, and I think adding the cacao really punched it up. I didn't note this in the video, but the original gravity was about 1058, and the final gravity was about 1020, which was kind of high, I think because I fermented at 154, left some residual sweetness, but actually it tasted a little more dry than you would think for a 1020 beer, which leaves this beer at about 5%. Overall, super happy with this beer. Tastes great. I love the way it looks and that strawberry flavor. I was worried I wasn't gonna get it, but it ended up turning out great. So if you're into chocolate beers, I actually have another one. I have peanut butter chocolate porter, which I think is even better than this one. It's one of my favorite beers I've made. So go check it out. And until then, cheers and happy brewing.